This delicate fragrance that envelops this large, beautiful orchid is enhanced by the loveliness of its deep shade lavender flowers. Take a deep breath of our fragrances. They're infused with many orchid scents that are included to increase therapeutic efficacy. On top of that, they possess many desirable medicinal effects. Let's find out more. Enriched with multiple medicinal and herbal effects, this therapeutic orchid can be consumed or applied topically. The entire plant is used to nourish yin, relieve heatiness in the body, help with arthritic pain, and alleviate swelling. Delicate, lovely, and intricately patterned, the stems of these orchids are used to strengthen the loins, invigorate the kidney, nourish blood, and treat heart diseases. It is also effective in calming the mind. To enhance the fragrance dynamism and novelty, some additional ingredients such as anise, balsam, and black pepper are added. Anise or aniseed is a flavoring and fragrance agent similar to licorice, fennel, or tarragon. Spicy with a lingering sweet note, its scent is reminiscent of licorice. Historically, it has been recorded for its rich benefits and has been used extensively in medicine, food, and perfumery. Used for centuries for its medicinal values, some ailments that are eased with the help of anise include stomachache, menstrual cramps, and hiccups. It is also known to help soothe stress and anxiety, thus relieving insomnia. Hot, earthy, and spicy, black pepper is often added as a top note in fragrances, instantly brightening and perking up fragrances. Black pepper is not only highly valued as a flavoring agent, but it also has a long history of medicinal uses. Its essential oil can provide relief from aches and pains. The warmth and spiciness in the fragrance composition merges together to create a sensual and mysterious harmony that exalts the extraordinary intensity and sensuality of this fragrance, a timeless and elegant fragrance.